Hi guys, how are you? My name's Paul, welcome to another one of my shows, How to Cook Good Food. So today's recipe is going to be banana pancakes. I am using that. It's basically a frozen and defrosted banana. So if you put one of these in your freezer, which is a normal banana, you'll see that it will go like a brownie colour. When it defrosts, it will go like that. Now, you'll see that when we open this, it's actually, in fact I'm going to open it now. So what you'll see is when you open this, your banana is nice and squidgy. One, there's two. Let's put those in there like that. Let's get rid of that. We are going to mash the bananas up. We are going to put 200 grams of flour into the bowl with 2 eggs. We're going to add our cashew nut milk and we're going to judge the amount of cashew nut milk by eye. So guys, yeah, that is how you make your pancake mix. Just before we put the pancake mix into the pan to make our pancakes, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to prepare our fruit. When the pancakes come out and they're nice and hot, I can top the pancakes and eat them straight away. It's the best way to do it. So yeah guys, that is how you make banana pancakes. Very quick, very simple to do. You don't have to use cashew nut milk, you don't have to use gluten-free flour, although it does work quite well. But do remember to hit the like, subscribe and the bell button so you do get notified when I release my next video. In the meantime guys, take care, until next time, bye bye. Bye bye.